The Arkansas Department of Health.
Good afternoon. I'm Laura Shue, and I'm General Counsel for the Department of Health, and we're here to provide some information that's been requested of us to give you an update on where we stand.
Can you check? Can you make sure your mic is, yeah. Make, it's up instead of down.
Thank you. Can everybody hear me? I'm Laura Shue. I'm General Counsel for the Department of Health. And we've been asked here to give you an update on where we stand as far as our roles and responsibilities. As you all know, Amendment 98 required us to promulgate rules. Those rules were promulgated in 2017, gave us the responsibility of issuing registry identification cards for qualifying patients and for labeling and testing standards. We're actively working on approving registry identification cards, and we have weekly reports that are distributed to our office. As far as the supply and the demand of the cards, the latest numbers that we have received 6,732 applications. 6,457 have been approved. 0 applications have been denied at this point, but there are 269 incomplete applications that have been received. We also have a number of approved caregivers, and that number is 64. With our statistics of the approved cards that we have so far, 51% are male and 41% are female, 88% are Caucasian, and 8% are African American, and 4% are other. We do have statistics on the number of folks that we have at different ages. If you all would like further information, we would be happy to provide that for you. As far as the qualifying conditions at this point, 31% of the patients often have more than one condition, but 31% have intractable pain or unresponsive to medicines, treatment, or surgery, and 16% have severe arthritis. 10% suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder. It's my understanding that you all also were wanting to know about petitions for additional medical conditions. So far, we have had one petition for a new condition submitted back in April, or excuse me, it was received back in February. We had a public comment period in April. It was for bipolar disorder, and that petition was denied. And all that information is provided on our website as far as the information that was provided from the applicant. Also, the comments are also on our website. We also have another application for an additional condition, and it was incomplete, so that is pending at this time. And I believe you also may have had some questions about our role as far as transportation to and from the cultivation facilities and dispensaries and to the labs. At this point, we have not been promulgating rules with regard to transportation because we don't have that authority, but we are happy to work with the agencies that do. That would conclude my opening presentation. I also have Connie Melton here. She is our branch chief, and she's our expert, so she can help with any specific questions that you have.
From a patient standpoint, I mean, obviously, there's more than 6,000 patients, so they're going to have to use a lot of marijuana. But some of the obviously, some of the, I have patients ask me about it, but since there's none available in the market, if they're putting their money out there, are you going to make them repay that, or are you going to hold that and start the clock when the stuff actually hits the market? Because, you know, there's no reason for them to pay this fee when it may not be in the market for,
Right.
What happens with the litigation, it may not be in the market ever. But,
the cards have not been issued. They've been approved, but not issued. And everyone that was approved received a letter that said they'll receive their card about 30 days prior to medical marijuana being available in Arkansas. And we will, when the card is issued, that'll be the start date, and so their expiration date will be calculated from the start date of that card.
okay, good. Glad to hear that.
Yeah, so it's all in the patient's best interest.
Yep, all right, good.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.